Today is the 6th of July 2016. It's a Wednesday. It's 6:13 a.m. It's 32 degrees Celsius, but the room is quite warm, so it's cold out there in the wild. So I'm going to show you what I have to contend with when I wake up. Of course, I do not like to use the air conditioning unit, and if I were to open up the window, if I were to close the window to stop the what you call noise from coming in, it will be stuffy as hell and uncomfortable to sleep in the room, that is. So this is the alarm clock that I was talking about, and I have a defense mechanism for this, that is to wake up before they have their karaoke sing off between one mosque there and another mosque there. There should be another one there, so 3 alarm clocks in one area. Nice, isn't it? I think it's called the Azan. So some of the workers from the what do you call, WD factory or whatever factory there is here. So you can hear the two opposing mosques singing. Enjoy. I'm gonna leave it like this for a while, so that you know what I suffer through, and as a consequence, there's a bird, a magpie singing. I prefer to hear the magpie singing than the mosque, because nobody wants to hear a failure of a karaoke singer practicing in the bloody morning. Better go and have my tea and stuff, so enjoy.
nanti di depan pasir awal pasir jemput tu ada.
See, it's still going on. My god. It has already been 15 minutes and it's still going on. God damn it. It's Hari Raya, maybe it's a special edition. You know, with the DVD or Blu-ray special features, so they sing a bit longer than usual. Maybe that's that. Or maybe it's just the same old modus operandi. Sing until they lose their voices, sorry. Lose their voices. But then again, is this really live recording, or is it just a tape playing every day, 365 days of a year? Same old shit. See a nicer view of the place. Can't tell. The best I can do is from this angle. It's just, god damn it. Nah, there's nothing much to see because it's so dark. Alhamdulillah, that means I think it's thank God. You see, when they utter the words Allah Akbar, in Malaysia they call it as Allah Akbar. In the Middle East, I think it's called Allahu Akbar. So there's a U between the two words, Allahu Akbar. I'm not joking around, I think that's how they say it in the Middle East. In Malaysia, it's called Allah Akbar. There's no U in between the Allah and the Akbar. Allah is God, Akbar is how are you? Good thing about my biology or my sleep pattern nowadays is I only get about 5 to 6 hours of sleep every day. Sometimes I doze off in the afternoon when I'm on the bed and watching some YouTube videos. In the morning, right, I wake up normally around 6 a.m. or close to it. And I always beat the Azan or this call to prayer for the Muslims from the mosques. By 12 or 1 a.m. I'll be so out of it that I'll sleep like a log. So it's best that you keep yourself awake the whole day, so in order for a very good night's sleep and a very undisturbed sleep, because you'll be so exhausted by the end of the day or near midnight would be a more appropriate choice of words. Some time ago, I would dedicate a bit of time in the afternoon for dedicated napping on a bed, but I think it's better if I try to stay awake and not nap. Sometimes I will doze off, that I cannot help. Doze off for a while, maybe 5-10 minutes. So you get the gist of it, of what I have to contend with. Is quite noisy in Petaling Jaya because it's like an urban area, lots of people, lots of activities, lots of things happening. So it is the hustle and bustle of the city, and it's still going on. That call to prayer in the morning, very annoying, but you have to live with it. It's tolerance in Malaysia. That's why the Malays, Chinese, Indians haven't yet pick up their pitchforks, not pitchforks, their pitchforks, and kill each other. Hopefully in the future something like that would never ever happen. But the politicians, the Malay politicians, they're kind of like assholes sometimes. It's like a big brother who's like a jerk, and deep down inside they have a heart of turd. So see ya.